everybody, it's me, Zombie King. I will be recording Smash City. Okay, let's... The point of this game is to destroy stuff, and actually, I am gonna do a 5, like, you have to beat all the cops. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. Well, first let me get a monster. Well, let's get a monster real quick. Okay, let's do this. Okay, we got this. What am I? Oh! A giant walking print. Okay. We don't have to try to beat these guys, but we can if we want to. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I attacked him.
You go, Vince?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay.
You want my sweater? You cold?
I'm good.
You want to put all this foot on the top of it?
I'm good. I'm recording right now. No, my seat now. Stop, Desiree, jeez. Then give me my chair. No. You left. I died. That is 1 hour I have to wait.
Does your tummy suspending or...
She's going over there.
I see that.
No one's around you but just me. Okay. Okay, police car. Get out of here. Ring around the rosy. Brah!
Vince?
No.
Can I have that chair?
Girl,
There's a bench right there.
so sit on the bench. There's a few people.
Can't.
What's up?
I got something big.
You sure?
I can't even feel it. I can't even feel it. It is too heavy.
Yeah, we have something. Yeah.
Like,
Another crap, I think.
Too focusing on
Why is everything it's a crab?
don't let it go this time.
The other guy got a
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
Still pulling?
upload that video. I was recording us when we were on, like when we're fishing now. Okay, so we're gonna have to. This is getting hard.
He got something. It came on?
Again.
What the heck? No!
Again.
Destiny, you're
Oh
so
my
dramatic.
Like he got something then it...
Again, we have it.
I'm going
Oh
to
my
him.
God! What does he do?
Again. You're right, not even there.
So free? Okay.
Again, Vince.
Okay, we're gonna. Okay, we have to destroy more of these cars.
Come over here, Desiree, hold it.
Okay, bash them with your shield. Give me that money.
Oh, that thing doesn't even work.
Da, ba, ba. Okay,
Why doesn't that water
got more.
even
Got
work?
more. You don't kill the almighty knight. I wish he blocked. That'll be cool. Oh no, they're coming everywhere. Must run. Attack. I want to see what he does for a rampage. The freak? Oh my God, it's sending like a cavalry to kill me. Okay, now it's just going terrible. And it killed me. Wow. That's much more harder. Pet one. I don't need no pets. LeBron. Okay. Okay. Destroy this. My God. How long does it have to take just to get to 5 stars? Okay, guys, it's gonna take a while for us to get into 5 stars. And my dad is taking pictures. Okay, range road! Okay, I'm gonna get ran over by my giant feet. I have no idea how the heck this works, because I don't remember a giant knight being this so huge. And he almost blew me up. You can't blow up a knight. Bop! 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 Oh, come here. Oh shoot. Oh no.
No. Oh, you want shrimp?
Wait. I want to do it.
So we're going
Out.
No. 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 Yes. Run. Run. I'm almost there. No. I failed. Wow.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna have to try again.
Look,
Look at the stars. Come here.
Oh. Okay. Man, it's much more harder. Oh shoot. Okay, we have this. We have it. Rampage! Boom! Boom, 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 boom. That's what you get. Cost. That's a lot of gasolines. Oh my god. Oh my god! Why the heck was I in the middle of that? Come here, tanks. Oh, we made it! We made it 5 stars! We made it 5 stars! Yeah! Okay, now we just have to stay alive for a little bit longer. Shoot. Be destroyed. Destroyed. Oh god. Oh, they're turning every direction. Why are you all following me? Get ran over. Ah! Man. So heartbreaking. Well, I'm at the end it here. Well, since we got the 5 stars, I guess we're gonna have to end it here. Bye, guys.